Or equal opportunity, a little corn here, but let's go with the John Deere, shall we? So we're gonna try to find this place I saw on the Skyrider. So let's cruise over to John Deere. I always go there every year, whatever they get for views at Minnesota State Fair. It's the original Machinery Hill when I was young. Come up here, so let's cruise on to the old-fashioned. Nothing runs like a John Deere. My dad knew I had to stamp him home down. He'd be madder than hell. All right, so here we go, you guys. So big heavy stuff. So there it is. Nothing runs like a Deere, right? I was telling those guys at Cadet they need that one I looked at. I said, can you have a double bagger? He kind of looked at me like I was an idiot. You should have it. I mean, you should have it, but here it is. One right there for me, right there. Oh yeah. The machine right here, this bad boy. I think it, well, so it's 16, let's just say whole 9 yards, about 25 grand, well worth it. Double bag it, but this one's sound nice right here too as well. This is a nice one. There was one like this at a place downtown Minneapolis, and I was going to take it, and they gave it to somebody else. They had a back flat tire, something like that. It was an older John Deere. I'd take it home with me. So here's a nice one, double bagger. Right here, big machine. These are nice. You got the bigger ones here. This one nice too. One thing about these big ones, they flatten your grass down real bad, but 15 grand. So you add on implements, you're probably talking 20, 25 grand. And guess what? They're worth it. They're nice machines. It just my snapper mow down is nice. Don't get me wrong. Kind of goes down. You see 730 X590. I mean, this is nice too as well. It's nice. 580. There's a double bagger. See, they have them on there, implements. So this one right here would be a nice one right here. The double bagger over here. So it's 5 grand for the machine, which ain't bad. And then the deck looks like it's, I don't know, it looks like probably be about 15 grand. This is not too bad. All the implements on it, that's just fine for me. I mean, I get it. Down 354. Big dog down here. So I mean, I don't know, it doesn't really matter to me. This is a little under 5 grand. 42-inch deck, double bagger. I mean, I wouldn't complain if someone bought it for me. Maybe I should start asking for money in GOPRO, right? It's, what is it, about 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock? I'm kind of leaving, so, but there's no way I could have done this on a video on Friday with a lot of people. Kids were clawing all over them. So 4 grand, put an implement on the front, snow blower, under 10 grand. That's a nice vehicle. This one's 3. I mean, there's nothing wrong with these. I mean, those big dogs are like big driveways. It's a big sucker over there. So these are just, as you're getting down to small in size, depending on what you need for them. So you can throw, I think, any implement on the front, pretty much. It's a nice one. Smaller version, but what is it? It's under 3 grand. These are nice. I don't know if you could put a double bagger in these at all. I have no idea. Maybe, probably could, I guess. Maybe not, I don't know. Yeah, you could, because it would come around the back, so you could do a double bagger on this one. What do you think, huh?
I like it.
Yeah, I know. Go work at a golf course, you'll be able to get paid to drive these damn things. Then learn how to play golf. Yeah, which one?
What golf? It's in Wisconsin.
Oh, okay. And why not get free golf and cut grass? Nothing wrong with that. So I always tell people, want a lawnmower, go work at a golf course.
What?
Go work at a golf course if you want to play golf and cut grass. Get paid for it instead of your dad's house. That's nice. Yeah, these are nice turn radius. They make good stuff. Comfortable as hell. So that's a smaller version right there. So this would be okay around the house. It's affordable. Around under $5,000. Get a double bag on the back of that son of a bitch. Over there, you can pull around. Over here, big dog over here. This is probably the one you'd probably use at the golf course. And all these are above my pay grade. So nothing runs like a Deere, right? We used to be able to climb up in these things until before. Not anymore, they won't let you. I mean, you used to be able to do the combines when I was here, the old days. So all this stuff is machinery hill for the farmers. I think they're still made in Illinois. Trying to find this place down here. I don't know what to tell you. I'll probably walk back that way. It's some lobster rolls. Yeah, you guys. Well, huh? Big dogs. That's a sucker right here. That bad boy. That's a farmer right there picking stuff up. Those guys are on right there. So
The one you said that you think was that was a bathroom?
those big dogs over here, that sucker over here. They won't let you get up in it the old days, but you know the problem is that when he gets injured, it's their fault instead of the kid's fault or my fault that I got injured. Here you go, snow plowing farmer right there. That bad boy. Mm-hmm. This is the kind that, yeah, let's see, 30 grand. Yeah, I'm right. Had the snow plow on there. Snow plow. Let's see. 6 grand. Not bad. So a little under 40 grand. There's that big bad boy. You get into here from, look at that bad boy. Yep. Best 110. That's right there. That'd be perfect for me. That'd be fine. Here you get the toys. Next to a neighbor, I lived in St. Louis Park. Collected John Deere stuff. You want it, you got it. Hot Wheels. Matchbox. They are. Mm-hmm. You can indoctrinate. Dependable, reliable. Yep. So, you guys selling a lot of stuff around? Selling a lot of stuff? Too busy on his phone. So, anyways, she's in the yard. Here's it's a big dog right there. So let's go over here. This one's right here. This one's kind of cool. Saw before. We're under whole 9 yards, 60 grand. That's kind of seen down to Minneapolis, any city. Right here. Yep, this is the one right here. You would just plow away, man. You have a long driveway. Yep. So anyways, yep, nothing wrong like that. I could walk up a block to the other ones, but anyways, hope you enjoyed it. Went to Minnesota State Fair 2023 John Deere. So, all right, see you guys all later.